ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் மெடிகோக்கிங். என்னோட ஃபேவரட் சப்ஜெக்டான ஃபார்மசூட்டிக்ஸ்லேருந்து 5 பேசிக் லிக்விட் டோசேஜ் ஃபார்முக்கு கீழே வரக்கூடிய ஃபார்மசூட்டிக்கல் சஸ்பென்ஷன்ஸை பற்றி தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்மளோட கிளாஸில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Pharmaceutical suspension is a coarse dispersion in which insoluble solid particles are dispersed in a liquid medium. The solid particles range from 0.5 to 5 microns. The solid particles act as dispersed phase, whereas liquid vehicles act as a continuous phase. Qualities of ideal suspension. The suspended drug particles should not settle rapidly. Readily redisperse into a uniform mixture when the container is shaken. Must not form a hard cake. Must not be too viscous. Free from large particles. Next, classification of pharmaceutical suspensions based on route of administration. Orally administered mixtures 125 to 500 milligrams per 5 ml of solid particles. Antacid oral suspensions. Example, Digen gel, aluminum hydroxide gel and magnesium trisilicate. Analgesic and antipyretic oral suspensions. Example, paracetamol 250 milligrams. Antibacterial oral suspensions. Example for these, amoxicillin plus potassium glycolic acid. Anthelmatic oral suspension. Example for this, albendazole oral suspension. Antibacterial and antiamoebic oral suspension. Example for this, ofloxacin suspension. Dry powder for oral suspension. Example, amoxicillin plus potassium glycolic acid. Next, externally applied suspensions for topical use. They not exceed 20% solid particles. Example, lactocalamine lotion. It is dermatologic, cosmetic and protective purpose. Another one example, selenium sulfate topical suspension, USP. Next, parenteral suspensions. 0.5 to 30% of solid particles per meter. Example, procaine penicillin G and biphasic isofan insulin injection is prepared as per Indian Pharmacopoeia 40 international unit per ml. Based on solid particles, they are classified into dilute suspensions and concentrated suspension. Dilute suspension 2 to 10% weight by volume of solids. Concentrated suspension 50% weight by volume of solid. Based on electrokinetic nature of solid particles, they are classified as flocculated suspension and deflocculated suspension. Next, pharmaceutical applications of suspensions. Drug in suspension exhibits higher rate of bioavailability. Suspension can mask the unpleasant taste and bitter taste of drug. Example, chlorophenicol palmitate and cefroxenil. Some X-ray contrast agents used for examine GIT can be administered as suspension. Example, barium sulfate. Some of suspension can improve the physical and chemical stability of certain drugs. Example, amoxicillin trihydrate. Applications duration and onset of action can be controlled. Example, protamine zinc insulin. Next, disadvantages of suspension. Physical stability. Sedimentation can cause problem. It is bulky in nature, so sufficient care must be taken during handling and transport. Uniform and accurate dose cannot be achieved at all times. Next, physical stability of suspension. Physical stability of suspensions may be defined as the condition in which the particles do not aggregate and which they remain uniformly distributed throughout the dispersion. Settling, caking, crystal growth or physical stability of suspensions which causes loss of drug content, uniformity in the different doses from the bottle and loss of elegancy of that suspension. Settling in suspensions. Theory of sedimentation. The velocity of sedimentation is expressed by Stokes' law. According to Stokes' law, V terminal velocity is equal to d square rho s minus rho naught into g divided by 18 eta naught. D is diameter of particles. Rho 1 and rho naught is equal to density of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. G is acceleration gravity. Eta naught is viscosity of dispersion medium and V is equal to terminal velocity. Next, formulation of suspension. Wetting agents. Wetting agents reduce the interfacial tension of the suspension. Lower the contact angle from air displaced from the surface of the particle. Wetting and deflocculation are promoted. Example, twins. Flocculating agents. Materials used to produce flocculation in suspension. Electrolytes and surfactants. Twins and spans. Hydrophobic polymers. Thickening agents or suspending agents used to stabilize the suspension. Example, gum acacia, tragacanth, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose, carbabol 934, V-gum, bentonite. They are either used in alone or in combination. Next, preparation of suspension. Small scale preparation. Liquefaction of insoluble materials in mortar to form small paste with vehicle containing the dispersion stabilizer. Large scale preparation. Using ball mill, colloidal mill and Beppel mill are used in large scale preparation of suspension. Next, evaluation of stability of suspension. Sedimentation method. Sedimentation volume F is equal to ultimate volume of sediment divided by initial volume of suspension. Next, degree of flocculation. B is equal to ultimate sediment volume of flocculated suspension divided by ultimate sediment volume of deflocculated suspension. Rheological method. The viscosity of suspension can be determined by Brookfield viscometer. Electrokinetic method. Zeta potential of suspension is helpful to find out the stability of suspension. Upcoming videosல சஸ்பென்ஷன்ஸை பற்றி இன்னும் டீப்பாக பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் அண்ட் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, தொடர்ந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.